Hello everybody, today I'm gonna make SEL roti. So it's one of my favorite food, so let's begin. So as you can see in my video, these are some of the ingredients that you need rice and all-purpose flour. Make sure you soak the rice for like at least for a day. So I'm gonna grind my rice in the mixture so that it will have right texture. Now you can see that I'm pouring the mixture of rice into the all-purpose flour and I'm gonna mix it, and also I'm gonna add some bananas. It's up to you, but I like the taste of the banana, so that's why I'm adding the banana, but it's optional. So let's begin. Added 3 bananas. So if you want to try for the first time, you can just use 1 or just half. And I'm adding some sugar, and there is a baking soda and some cinnamon, so it's for the taste. And yes, my husband is mixing the bananas and the mixture of the flour and the all-purpose flour. And right now you heat the oil and try to make it like a round shape, as you can see, and it's called SEL. So you can try that, and please share your experience. If it's for your first time, that's totally fine, and if you keep trying, then you can definitely make this kind of shape. If it's not, that's totally fine. You can just make it like a roti, like just pour a little bit of the ingredient and just pour it like a roti shape. It will look different shape, but that's totally fine. As long as you are trying, that's fine. Now you can see that it's changing its color, so you have to flip the SEL into a different side, so both sides should be like brown color. And yes, after that it's ready to eat, and please enjoy this food. And if you have different recipes for the SEL, please share or comment below. And yes, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.